Hi everyone! And today, nandito tayo ngayon sa newest project ng Federal Land, which is Meadowcrest and the Heartwood Village. Ito yung ating bagong ilo-launch dito sa Biñan, Laguna. This is a 48-hectare master plan community by the Federal Lands. So, Heartwood Village is a 11-hectare, and for the phase 1, we were offering 110 lots only. And you can reserve this for only 50,000 pesos. And today, nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka-viewing deck nila at makikita nyo sa aking likuran, this is our mountain ranges. And dito naman sa aking kabilang side, this is the Palma Real and San Jose Village. And alam mo ba, ang maganda dito sa project na to, tabi nila ang Aveo project natin dito, which is the Avea and the Binido. Dito nag-start tayo ng 17,000 price per square meter. So kung naubusan ka before dito sa mga projects na to, this is the perfect time for you to invest in Heartwood Village. Our starting lot prices here is 43,000 up to 60,000, depende sa location na mapipili nyo. And ang good thing pa dito sa Heartwood Village natin, this is just walking distance lang from the De La Salle University. So if you're an OFW and looking for a new investment here in Biñan, Laguna or in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, this is the perfect time for you to invest. And ang advantage pa dito sa location natin, this is just 15 minutes away from the valley, and yung mga hospital natin dito na malapit sa area, which is the Qualimed, the Medical City South, at yung mga malls rin natin dito sa area, which is the Paseo Mall, Solinad. So if you're interested po to avail and you want to view the property here in Biñan, Laguna, just leave your message and follow us for more. Thank you!